Let's navigate back to Eclipse, and in order to save some time, I have already added this project. Let us quickly add the index.jsp page first, and we would simply display the message hello user, then a br tag, then we would display location as unknown. We won't code this particular page as of now. First of all, we need a form in order to get the value from the user. So moving forward, we would be creating a form now, and the name of the form would be set location. So let's code for the form. So we will type in form. Autocomplete is not responding that good. Alright, as of now, don't worry about the action because we won't be handling this particular cookie using a very simple JSP form. I would be showing you in the combination of JSP and Servlet so that you get the idea how to handle cookie under JSP and Servlet. So here we would be handling form with respect to Servlet. So let's keep this action blank as if now. In here we would type in location colon, and in here it would be input type equals text, and obviously name equals location. We would require one button now, and let us add a br tag in between. So it would be input type equals submit and value equals set location. Let us code a servlet now, and the name of the servlet would be demo. In here we would require to use the cookie object. So we would type in cookie and use control space for autocomplete, and we would require cookie class from javax.servlet.http package. So we will select this option. The name of the cookie could be like location. So let's keep the name of the cookie as location, and we will initialize it with new cookie. Now in here the name of the cookie would be location, so let's give it as location, and the value would be received by the form. So let's add a string variable whose name would be form location, and we will get this value from request dot get parameter, and we will pass location in here. Alright, and the value would be form location. Once we have initialized this cookie object, we need to set the age, and we have this particular method in here, and the name of the method is set max age. Now guys, by default the age is set to 0, means as soon as you exit from the browser, cookie will expire, and we don't want that. We will set the age as like 1 hour and multiplied by 60, which is 1 hour. Now guys, this particular method accepts the value in second, so we need to do some math in there, and which is okay, I guess. So in here we will calculate 60 into 60, and we will set this particular cookie. Now once everything is ready, then finally we will give a response to the browser as response dot add cookie, and we will give the name of the object, which is location in this case. And finally we will give sweet and simple message. So now in order to get an message on the console, we would require a print writer object. So let us quickly do that. Response dot get writer. So here is the syntax, and finally let us print the message on the web page, and the message would be cookie set successfully. Here we go. And we will also add one hyperlink to home page, right? So let's do that real quick. So in here we would be making use of a string variable, and the name would be homepage equals, we will add the tag in here, and the link as index.jsp, and in here we would type in home page and semicolon. Finally, we would print this variable in this println. I guess everything seems okay, and I suppose we would be able to set the cookie successfully in here. Everything looks okay to me, and we need to code for this index.jsp for sure.